Now in this example, we have a variable on both sides of our equation. We have a variable inside of the absolute value bars on the left, and one that's not inside any absolute value on the right. We're still going to do what we were doing before where we split it up into two cases, but in these situations you absolutely must check your solutions. So let's go ahead and get started, and you can see what that looks like as we go along. Case number 1, x plus 2 equals negative 2x plus 8. Now the goal is to get x by itself, so I'm going to move all of the x terms to one side and all of the constant terms to the other. So I'm going to start by adding 2x to both sides. Plus 2x plus 2x. So now we have 3x plus 2 equals 8. Now I'm going to subtract 2 to get the term with x by itself. So 3x equals 6. And then we can divide by 3, so then x is equal to 2. So that might be one of our solutions. I'm going to check those solutions at the end. We're going to do case 2. We've got negative x plus 2 equals negative 2x plus 8. Again, I'm going to divide by negative 1. You can distribute that negative if you'd like. So now we have x plus 2 equals, both of these terms divided by negative 1 are going to switch their signs. So negative 2 over negative 1 is positive 2 with the x. And 8 divided by negative 1 is negative 8. Now we can subtract x from both sides. So then on the left we have 2, and on the right we have x minus 8. Then we can add 8 to both sides, so then 10 is equal to x. Now that we have both of our options for x, we're going to evaluate using those numbers to make sure that we still get a true statement. So first I'm going to start by substituting in 2 everywhere I see x. When I do that, I've got the absolute value of 2 plus 2 equals negative 2 times 2 plus 8. 2 plus 2 is 4, and the absolute value of 4 is 4. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, and negative 4 plus 8 is 4. So this is a true statement. That means x equal to 2 is a valid value of x. Now let's check x equal to 10. Plugging in 10, we've got the absolute value of 10 plus 2 equals negative 2 times 10 plus 8. 10 plus 2 is 12. The absolute value of 12 is 12. Equals negative 2 times 10 is negative 20. Negative 20 plus 8 is negative 12. So here we're left with 12, positive 12, equals negative 12. That's not a true statement. So that means x equals 10 does not work for this equation. We have to solve both of these equations because sometimes we'll have both answers, but sometimes we'll only have one. So we're going to plug those back in and make sure that they both work.